new video. So basically in this video I will teach you how to change your MAC address on Linux. So basically what I mean by MAC address, so MAC address changing makes you anonymous on the network. It's used like it's changed for increasing your it's for making you anonymous, and also it is also known as MAC address spoofing. So I'll make a detailed video on what is MAC address later on. In this video I will show you how to change your MAC address, and it's really simple. Okay, so this is my Linux OS. You can Debian, I'm using Debian version 10. You can use Kali Linux, Debian 9, Debian 10, and open the terminal. So basically make sure you are in you are using as the root user is logged in. Okay, now this is my terminal. So first of all, the command to see our networks, we were gonna write if config. As you can see, these are all the networks, and if you have Wi-Fi, it might be written here WLAN 0, and yeah, but I have here ENPOS3. So from where to see your MAC address? So in the first network you will see ether, and this 12-digit numerical or anything you can say separated by colons. This is your MAC address, and we will change it to the desired address we want. We cannot change it, like we cannot keep it in any format. We will have to keep it in this format only, with 6 sections all separated by colons and 2 numbers in every section. So now first of all we will have to turn down the network, and for that we will write if config, the name of your interface ENPOS3. You will have to correctly enter. There might be something else written here, it's up to you. This thing might not be there, like the interface name might not be similar. Okay, so I wrote if config ENPOS3, so it gave me all the details of that interface. So to turn it down you have to write if config ENPOS3, the name of your interface, any interface which pops up here, and down. And so if the next line comes up without any error, then that means it has worked. Now we will have to change the MAC address. So now ENPOS3 HW ether, and we will have to write a new MAC address. So you have to write it in this format. You can keep it anything, but just make sure that you write 12 numbers with 6 sections. All sections are separated by colons, and in each section there are 2 digits or anything. You can use alphabets also. Okay, so it should be of 6 sections. It has done now. So now we will turn the network up, turn the interface up, and let's see if it has worked. As you can see, let me show it to you. The first interface, like the MAC address it was before, is this one, and we changed it, and as you can see we changed it to 001122334455, and that's the same MAC address for this interface here, as you can see. So basically this thing is working. Okay, so I got the wrong interface, ENPOS3. As you can see, the MAC address has been successfully changed. Okay, so now after this your internet might not work on the Linux OS you are using. No worries for that. You can just reboot the whole OS, and then the internet would start working on its own. So basically, as I told you before, MAC address spoofing is basically to increase your anonymity on the network, to make you anonymous, also known as MAC address spoofing. So this was the video on how to change MAC address on Linux, guys. Okay, so guys, I will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.